In this video, I'm going to be explaining what issue types and issue type schemes are and how to create one as well. Think of an issue type inside Jira as a work item, and work items can be of different kinds. Now, in this particular project, I have the following work items or issue types. I can create a task, a story, a bug, or an epic. Now, this is highly customizable. You don't have to stick to these four. You can create your own issue types. Now, to do that, we're going to do the following. We're going to click on the gear icon up at the top right, and we're going to click on Issues. Now, you're going to see issue types and issue type schemes. Issue type schemes are basically a container. So, within this container, you're going to have different issue types. And you're going to assign this container or the scheme to a particular project. Now, in this example, I have these 5 issue types assigned to my support project, which is a Jira Service Management project. And in this web development project, I have my schema, which has task, subtask, story, bug, and epic. So what you're going to do to create a new issue type is the following. You're going to go to Issue Types, add issue type, and let's name this a change request. Now you're going to select whether it's a standard issue type or a subtask issue type, and this has to do with the hierarchy, meaning this is going to be the parent and this is going to be the child. Now for this case, we're going to choose standard issue type. And to edit this, just because it has the same icon as the story, we're going to click on the 3 dots, click on Edit, and we're going to select a different avatar. Let's select this one right here. Now I have my change request, but I have it assigned to a default issue type scheme. And I don't want that. I wanted to assign it to just my web development project. So to do that, I'm going to go to Issue Type Schemes, and then I'm going to edit my web development scheme. So I'm going to click on these 3 dots, click on Edit, and we're going to add our new issue type, which is Change Request. And we're going to save this. And now we're going to give this a try. So we're going to go to my web development project, click on Create, and I should see our new issue type. And there we go, Change Request.